Hi friends, I am going to talk on one more interesting topic, that is acidity. Before going to start the topic, I just want to clear one thing. There is a difference between gastritis and acidity. Acidity is different thing, gastritis is different thing. In acidity, sour belching, heartburn, nausea, vomiting sensation. In severe cases, giddiness will be there. But in gastritis, distension of the abdomen, constipation, loss of appetite might be there. In some cases, signs and symptoms will be the same, but we have to differential diagnosis whether it's acidity or gastritis. Then only we can treat the case in a very easy way. The reason for acidity, now I am going to talk only on acidity in this video. Reason or causes for the acidity: number one, lifestyle, food style, having more spicy items for a more than a longer period, sour items, having the cigarette, alcohol, gutka, high consumption of tea, coffee, junk food, or else there may be the hereditary reason also. If I talk about the treatment of the acidity, before going to the treatment, I want to say one thing. Acidity, types of acidity are two types. One is temporary and permanent. Temporary acidity may be cleared off or can be cured within 2 to 3 days or 4 days just by antacids. But if you are facing acidity for the permanent, better to go for Ayurvedic treatment. There is no treatment in allopathy or curing the permanent acidity in the English medicine. Any doctor may give only antacids or proton pump inhibitors, just like esomeprazole, rabiprazole, pantoprazole, ranitidine, etc., which can be taken only for 3 to 4 days. If you are taking more than months together, there might be some side effects or adverse effect on your body, especially on the testosterone hormones. You may experience the loss of libido if you are taking proton pump inhibitors for more than a year or 2 years in a daily basis. So better to follow Ayurvedic line of treatment. Not only the treatment is enough to cure or come out from the acidity problem, the main agenda or the main line of treatment must be related to the healthy lifestyle and food style. If you wanna any online consultation, you can contact me on my below given WhatsApp number, or book your online consultation appointment by going to the payment option of below given website www.herbsandplanets.com. Okay, stay healthy.